Today I wanted to share with you a very special downtown square, Kingston, Arkansas. See, it's even the wallpaper on my phone. Many moons ago, my great-grandfather was the blacksmith here, but most of my memories are from going to Way Out Salvage, yes, right, and passing through on my way to adventures on the Buffalo River. It's a great place to slow down, stroll around, visit the flea markets, and always stop at the cafe for their in-house made donuts. Oh yeah. This timeless little dot on the map is situated perfectly between I-49 and the flow of the Buffalo National River. For me, it's the ideal pit stop for the quintessential weekend drive. Thanks Only an Arc for sponsoring this video. Life is what you make it. Let's get our hands dirty.